This is a review of the Rodann RXTX2000A. I'll go over the features first and then we'll discuss what the pros and the cons are. The alarm detects people and vehicles. It has a 1000 feet radio range and a 50 feet motion detection area. It's weatherproof, and whenever movement is detected, you will get a notification by a sound, either a chime, buzzer or bell. It's expandable, you can monitor several zones, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. There are a couple of things I like about this alarm. It has a reliable passive infrared sensor, so you get very few to no false alarms. The alarm is also really easy to install. In some rare cases, it does not detect vehicles. The Rodann wireless driveway features a high-quality passive infrared sensor. The sensor is very accurate in detecting people and vehicles, and false alarms are a thing of the past.